เห็ดย่างนี่ปลูกผักบ่ผักซอยผู้บ่าวบาร์บี้นะบ่าวบาร์บี้นี่ใจได้ปลูกเก่งไว้ปลูกใครมันมันเขินแม่โอเคของแม่ลายพักปิดตันเนี่ยแซ่บเนาะปลูกมันต่อเห็ดถึงอยู่ปะหมอเห็ดให้มันเรียนกันเก็บเห็ดอะไรไงพอดอ่ะโอเคเห็นแล้วจะจับดีไพ่มาละโอ้ยมีอย่างมานี่นะขนมบ่เด็กหน่อยคาขนมตลอดนี่เอาจกตัวหูไหม
จกหูไว้ค่ะ
ให้มันเนียนกันนะปกรถ
นมอมนะ
เป็นอย่างระวังมัน
เสียงแล้ว
มีแต่กินขนมพวกนี้เนาะเป็นไผซื้อให้เจ้าซื้อเองมั้งเดี๋ยวเรามาจากไซนี่
แดงไม่ต้องเห็ดด้วย
Okay guys, so this is what I've got so far. This is black beans and it's been growing for quite a while. There's some more black beans. I'm gonna pull this out of the pot. Let's see what this looks like out of the pot. It'll come out. Whoa. It's pretty awesome. Alright, let's plant this sucker. I'm gonna call you Waffle. Well, hold up. Hey. Bye. Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you our mango tree. Look at all these mangoes. And we have like, whoa, there's so much over there. They grow very sparingly over here. So. Never run out. Mangoes. There's about 10 mango trees on our property, so it's a start. But oh, look at that. There's another mango tree. There's a star fruit tree. Here's that tree. I don't know what that tree is. Star fruits. You see. Alright, so today's just another day at the crib. So I'm taking my sweet time here. 2 months into Laos. Actually, I have 2 more months left in Laos, so I'll be staying here for quite a while. Oh, please, everybody stay safe. Don't go out too much. I'm scared for the COVID-19. Hope you're afraid too, because I don't want any of you getting it. Any of my viewers getting it, so. Let me show you one last thing. Not these chickens, but. Okay, I'm gonna show you one last thing. My little farmhouse. Selfie. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, that might. Kasi sorry, chao. Yum. This guy always wants to stick around. Good young meat. See it, young. Sorry, though. I just hit gone up. Hello, everyone. Just another day at the farm. I want to show you guys all these tadpoles. You can see them. And if you look very closely, you can see that there's a butterfly right there. Oh. Where are you going, Mr. Butterfly? And it's gone. Look at all these tadpoles. So many tadpoles. So these tadpoles, the frogs in here, they came by on their own. All this water wasn't here before. When it started raining, that's when they all started coming. So, okay, let's step out here for a bit. There's my little farm. I'm gonna show you guys these mango trees. These mangoes are pretty, I wouldn't say really ripe yet, but this is a tamarind tree. Tamarins. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you guys can see those mangoes. Got 1 mango tree, 2 mango trees, 3 mango trees, 4 mango trees, 5, all the way over there. There's a lot of mangoes, 6, and 4 more back there. Another one over there. This is makpu. That's what they call it. It's a decent land and property right here. There's my little farm again. So little. Hopefully I can expand it out over here. This much. So these just started growing recently. But they keep on growing. That's awesome. Makpu. Oh, and there goes a lizard. Gecko, probably. I don't know if you can see all these butterflies, but they are out and about. all these yellow butterflies. There's so many of them over here. Okay, everyone, so this is the work I've done so far. As you can see, I've been cutting these little lines off. Oof, it is hot out. I'm sweating. So right here, I think I'm gonna build a hydroponics or aquaponic farm. I'm not sure what it's called. I forgot what it's called. It's one of those two. But this little slice of land right here, that little slice of land is where my brother plans to build his house. Plans to build it for around $5,000, which is pretty overwhelming. $5,000 to build a house right here. He doesn't have enough cash to build it yet, so he's $5,000. I'll build it right away. But it's not my land, so. But I have a lot of different ideas I'm planning to do with this land. Here, give you a full scape of what I have so far. So this is about it. I just want to make a little documentary. So this is about it. One last glance. Alright, see you guys.
เพื่อนสองต้อง
หลายคน หลายคนซอยเจ้ามานี่เนาะ
ผมก็รู้ไว้ก่อนเดี๋ยวพ่อแปลงเทียงก่อนออกก่อนเอาวางก่อนก่อนน้อยเอ๊ะพ่อไกลไปนี่พ่อใส่ก่อนไปถ่ายเปย์ก่อนพี่น้องเปย์ถ่ายเลยนี่อยู่บ้านเห็ด
มือเขาเป็นสีส้ม
ได้ย่างโควิด
กันคือกัน
มีแห้งบ่
มือมันยังเป็นสีส้มคือกันเป็นสีส้ม
มาพี่ไรพี่ได้ไปเห็ดเรียกต่อ
เราอยากเฮ็ดเวียกต่ออยู่เด็กน้อยบ่อยากเรียนนักแต่อยากซอยซอยได้บ้านเฮียมาพ่อมาเสียยังวะนี่เด็กน้อยฮะซอยพอวะเฮ็ดเวียกจังไงเราสิซื้อขนมให้เนาะเมื่อยละเมื่อย on the next episode of Prison Birds quack 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 Prison Birds dun 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 quack